in the form of ax squared plus k. A is going to be minus 1 and k is going to be 4.7. Okay, so since a is negative, right, the parabola is going to open downwards, okay? And then the vertex can be represented by 0k because it's in this form. And in this case, the k value is 4.7. All right. Now for the domain and range, right, the domain, we know that for any parabola, right, the x value is the set of real numbers. Okay, but for the range, we need to first figure out whether it's a minimum or a maximum value for this parabola. And because it's pointing downwards, we know that the value over here is going to be a maximum, okay? So we're going to have a max value. It's going to happen at the y value of the vertex. So y is equal to 4.7 is going to be our maximum y value. So the range, right, has to be, the y has to be less than or equal to the maximum possible value, which is 4.7,